You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to delete a contact poster on your iPhone. Open your phone app and tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom. Find and select the contact whose poster you want to remove. Once you are viewing the contact's details, tap the Edit button in the top right corner. Now look at the top of the editing screen where you will see the current contact poster. Tap directly on the poster image itself. This will open the poster customization screen. At the very bottom of this screen, you will see a red button that says Delete Poster. Tap this Delete Poster button. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure. Confirm by tapping Delete again. The custom poster is now removed, and the contact will revert to using a standard photo or initial circle. You can tap Done in the top right to save the changes and exit. Your contact's poster has been successfully deleted. Remember, this only removes the customized poster. The contact itself and any associated phone number or photo remain saved in your phone. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.